Hello, I'm Aiden. Today I will introduce our BSJ Dashcam series. Nowadays, the growing number of vehicles have brought a convenience to daily commutes. About the global loss of lives and property caused by traffic accidents. Well, a high-quality dashcam will not only help you reduce the fleet management costs, but also ensure the driver's safety. The BSJ Dashcam is equipped with advanced algorithm features, which accurately identify road safety risks and irregular driving behaviors, provide voice alarms, and help reduce driving risks. Now, let me introduce a new device called DR01. It's a 2K definition dashcam with GNSS positioning for real-time vehicle tracking and registered playback for trip reviews. With high-capacity storage, it can retain driving data for a long time. Its remote fuel or power cutoff function enhances convenience and security. The next one is EH03TV1. It's a 4-channel dashcam, 1 channel 1080p and 3 channel 720p. But this one also equipped with a 2000 mAh standby battery to safeguard against data loss due to unexpected power outage. Support ADAS and DMS function to enhance driving safety. Also equipped with an SOS button, offering driver an enhanced safety feature that can be crucial in emergency situations. Now comes the third one, EH13V1 and EH13V2. The difference between the two is that V1 doesn't contain AI algorithm, while V2 support both ADAS and DMS, and it also support a Wi-Fi function. They both have two 1080p channels, very easy to install, which will save most of the manual installation costs. And here's another one, EH15V1. It has two built-in cameras which are 1080p, and you could connect with 4 channels camera which are 720p or 1080p. It also contains ADAS and DMS to enhance driving safety. The built-in 4G module supports remote live stream and can connect a variety of peripherals, which are important and reliable partners for fleet management. The last one is EH16V1. It doesn't support peripherals. It contains 1 channel, 1080p. It supports real-time positioning and video recording. Video and alarm data can be uploaded remotely to provide an anti-thief, anti-scratch and collision function. If any of this above problem happens, you will immediately report to the platform and the owner. That's all about our BSJ dashcams. In the future, we will develop more new dashcams for different customers' requirements. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned.